So starting off, we're gonna be going in with some primer. I'm just gonna be doing a little voiceover for y'all because it was too much noise going on in the background. So I'm gonna show y'all a simple glam. So now we're about to go in with some water. We're just gonna spray it on my brush, and then we're actually gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's actually a snow day in Georgia right now, so like I just wanted to get up and make a video today. So honestly, we're not really getting ready for anything in particular. This is just a random video, y'all, so just stay tuned. So when putting on your foundation, y'all, just try to make sure you can buff out all of this as smooth as possible. Not saying it has to be perfect, but try to get it even as much as you can. So next up, we're going to be going in using our Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is like my everyday concealer that I use. I use a couple different concealers, y'all, but like I said, I'm just making this video for funsies and because I'm bored, so I'm showing y'all how I do my routine, but with a lot of my drugstore products basically. So just bear with me. I don't know what I was doing in this video. I was probably frustrated, so I don't know. So y'all, in the middle of me doing this video, I completely forgot what look I was going for, and I really wanted to do a look with a lot of blush. I wanted to do like a dramatic blush look, so I went in with one of my liquid blushes. I don't know the name of this blush, y'all, and it's a very pigmented blush. So a trick that I wanted to do was blend out the blush first and then go back in with the concealer. That's why you see me blending out the blush first before the concealer. So I'm gonna look a little crazy right now in this clip, but everything is gonna come together. Just watch and see. So we're going to be going in with some setting powder. This is a brightening setting powder from Laura Mercier. You can either use a brightening setting powder, you can use a regular setting powder, or even like a finishing powder. So yeah, I just wanted a bright look for this side. You go, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon, with you tonight is on a island. So pretty much we're gonna go in with a little bit of contour because the powder kind of really brightens my face a little bit, so We're just gonna kind of bring a little bit more warmth back into the face. So I contour some areas, I just don't do a full contour. We are gonna also kind of contour the nose a little bit, and that's what you'll see me doing right here. So you can still do a little soft contour, you just don't have to go super crazy with it. But just so you don't look fully crazy, do a little contour. Next up with this, I don't even know what I'm about to do, y'all, but what are we about to do, Alexis? What are we about to do? Okay, so we're going in with eyeliner on the liquid line. I like to use more of a gel kind of like liner when I do my liquid line little part, only because to prevent like watery eyes or anything like that, and it stays on a little bit better. I don't know what I'm about to do next, y'all. I just recorded this earlier and I kind of forgot. So brows, we're gonna do the brows. I'm not gonna talk y'all through these brows, bro. So another thing that I like to do is kind of go in with a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner of my eye. I don't know why it just screams star or not. I don't care if it doesn't give that to anybody else, but that's what it gives to me. So we're just gonna add a little, a little pizzazz, because sometimes I do a little eyeshadow, but yeah, this is a lazy girl look. So just go with it. We're gonna do a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and then we're also gonna kind of go in with mascara on my actual lashes as well. Now we're just gonna enhance my mole, y'all. I do already have a mole right there, I promise. I'm not one of those to just be drawing freckles or moles on my face. There is a mole there, I promise. We're gonna kind of highlight some of the points on my nose with that stick. I actually got this from CoverGirl. They sent this to me from entering that CoverGirl contest. So this is actually, I'm using some of the stuff that I got from their little box they sent me, but we're just gonna go back over that blush with a powder blush. This is from e.l.f., I believe, and then we're gonna also line the lips with a regular brown. I don't think this is dark brown, and then we're gonna go in with some gloss. Now finishing off, we're gonna use our setting spray. I don't know what setting spray this is, but I believe it's a matte setting spray. That's all I know. And then we're gonna finish up putting on this fit. These pants are from Costco. This is an old sweatshirt I have from a kid, and this is the finished look. Tell me what y'all think. I hope I paired this together well. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light on. Hold on.